Nothing is more important to a craftsman than his tools. And where he keeps his tools is sacred. Hello, old friend. Gerstner chests are built by craftsmen for craftsmen. A tradition of handmade precision in the finest hardwoods. An investment in over a century of knowledge, of authenticity, of quality. Designed to inspire. Destined to be passed down for generations. Like the wisdom of the craftsman. It's time to create. It's time to build. Craftsmanship lives.